Rcex 010350 excavator. The excavator moved up here Friday late. Tracks are clean. Some pins. So H-arm. Cylinder is straight. The ears on the bucket have been straightened and welded. Or should I say ear? The right one. The only thing I see is must have been happened while we're transporting it. Wire for the light, the boom light has come off. There's nothing tore at the boom or the light there. We can go ahead and boom this now and plug it back in. Other than that, it's ready to go. Well, he did tell me when we went over to pick it up that on these pins, they welded them in. Or on the, I mean, not on the pins, but on the keepers. All the way around. Okay, just a heads up.